I know you are about to go and upload a video right now, but before you do, I need you to calm down and hear what I'm about to tell you. If you're trying to grow on YouTube, get your first 1,000 subscribers and reach your 4,000 watch hours to get more views or even finally get monetized, you then need to stop clicking public immediately after uploading your videos. And when I mean public, it is not just the do not click public thing. If you do not know, there is one warning that YouTube gives creators, but most people ignore it because they are too excited to publish their video, and their excitement causes them to skip one simple step that could save them from unnecessary copyright claims, monetization restrictions, and other problems that could have been avoided. In this video, I am going to show you exactly what this warning means and why you should never ignore it, and the simple habits every YouTube creator should develop before uploading their YouTube videos. Hi, I am Deborah Daniel. Welcome to the channel. Here I create videos on YouTube growth, AI tools, AI tutorials, practical online tips that can help you make money and grow faster as a content creator. Everything I share on this channel is based on what I am learning, I have tested and applied myself. So if that's the kind of content or the kind of creator you are looking for, I would love you to do something for me. Go ahead and click the subscribe button and let's get right into today's tutorial. Take a look at this notification on your screen. This is the notification you should always wait for before making your video public. Yes, whenever you upload a new video, there is this thing called the system trying to scan through your video to see the kind of video you just want to put out, to consider if this video is healthy enough for the audience or it is not. If you get a notification this way that says all checks completed, no issues were found, whenever you upload a video, YouTube automatically checks for possible copyright claims and certain policy related issues. And many creators upload their videos and immediately click public because they want their videos to start getting views as soon as possible. Dear creator that you're watching me right now, that is not the way. I have uploaded videos series of times and got a notification that my video has a content that is not supposed to be there. And most of the time when I go back to share these videos, sometimes because of editing rush, I tend to forget to reduce noises and all that. So I put out those videos not checking and not cross-checking. And that is why in my last video I mentioned that you should always cross-check, watch your video before you put it out for upload. But sometimes I understand that we are human and we can be rushing to put out videos, and that is why sometimes we forgot to watch or even check if there are sounds in those videos, especially for somebody in my niche, the niche I started with. If there are sounds there that you do not want to put out, that is not from YouTube audio library, or even words that you have said. I used to think the same way until I understood how these upload checks work. That I really need to wait for my video to upload and for YouTube to assess it and do the proper scanning and running for like sometimes 5-10 minutes, and max is 45 minutes to 30 to 45 minutes. Every time I upload a video, what I simply do is leaving it as unlisted, and you can permanently do this by going to your YouTube Studio settings and set your upload default to unlisted, as you're seeing on your screen right now, so that whenever you upload a video you get to see unlisted. Even if you forgot to put it on unlisted, it will definitely be there, except if you change your phone or you switched your channel to another phone. If you do this, you should always check if your video is on public or unlisted before you put it out because you change your channel or you open your channel on another phone, there is always possibility that when you do this, your unlisted may go to public and you will not know. It has happened to me before, and thank goodness there were no copyright issues. But also I have also seen a situation whereby I uploaded a video and immediately there was a community strike, simply because the video, it was an AI video on my AI channel, simply because the video was against their community rules or YouTube policy. It was against YouTube policy. So let's say your video is supposed to go live by 5 p.m. Your video should have been uploaded or should be sitting right in your YouTube studio, clean, checked by before 5 p.m. Let's say you want a video to go live by 5 p.m. It means you should have uploaded your video. You should have started uploading your video from 12 p.m. or even in the morning, because of network glitch at times. And when you do this, even if there is network glitch from 9 a.m., there is no how your video would not drop, except you are uploading a movie. If there is a network glitch and you're uploading a movie, you might have issues of your videos dropping on time before the time you told your audience that your video is going to drop. And that is why we see so many actors and actresses tell us that there was something that happened, there was a technical issue that happened, and they will not be able to watch their films at a particular time they promised us, but that by tomorrow we'll be able to watch it. It means that there was a network issue and their video at that time they promised is still uploading and needs to go through the proper scanning. So when this happens, they have to be patient, let the video upload, and wait for YouTube to run a proper scan on that video before putting it on public. Once I see the message that says all checks completed, no issues were found, I know that YouTube has finished its automated checks and I can publish my video with much more confidence. But I tell you, one bad thing about this is that if your video has something that is very glaring and is against the YouTube community guideline, you are going to receive a community strike there and then. Yes. If you check, now let me show you what happens if you don't wait. If you click the public before YouTube finishes checking your upload, you are going to see this warning right there. Publish without checks. A lot of creators simply ignore this message and click publish anyways. Please do not be ignorant on the streets of YouTube. Let us try as much as possible to make sure to educate ourselves every day, and even as new policies are coming out. When you see this notification, it means that YouTube is actually warning you that publishing before the checks are complete may result in visibility restrictions or monetization restrictions if an issue is detected later. So if you really want your videos to go far, get more views, and get, bring in subscribers for you the way you have planned it or thought about it in your head, it means you really need to allow YouTube to do their work before your video goes public. That's why I always recommend waiting for just a few extra minutes before making your video public. Think about this. Imagine you uploading your video, sharing it on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, or X, or every other platform, only to discover a few minutes later that YouTube has detected a copyright issue. That is so heartbreaking, right? No creator wants to see that. That is one notification that makes creators' mind, go high. Now, you have to make the video private or unlisted, preferably, edit it, replace it, and deal with a copyright claim that is being found if there are any. After you've shared your links and a copyright is detected, now you have to, go and work on that video or possibly delete it, and your link sharing will now be wasted. Waiting for YouTube to complete its click can help you avoid that kind of situation. Now, I also want to mention something very, very important. Seeing the message, all checks completed, no issues were found, does not guarantee that your video can never receive a copyright claim or another policy issue in the future. We all know that YouTube changes their policy every like by monthly, or sometimes every three months, every 6 months, or sometimes a year, or after 2 years. So you should still review your own videos, watch it carefully like I used to advise, before uploading, to make sure everything is in order. So if you're serious about growing on YouTube, getting more views, reaching your first 1,000 subscribers, and achieving your 4,000 watch hours, and eventually getting monetized, then you have to build good upload habits from the very beginning. Do not rush to click public. Wait for YouTube to complete its check first. Like I said, being patient and waiting for those few minutes will not take anything out of you. Make sure you upload earlier before the time you have planned that your video is going to go live. It only takes a few extra minutes, but those few minutes can save you a lot of unnecessary stress later. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe right away to this channel, and turn on notifications for more YouTube growth tips, AI tutorials, AI tools, and practical online strategies that can help you grow your channel and make money online. I'll also love to hear from you in the comment section down below. Do you normally wait for YouTube to finish its check before publishing your videos, or have you been clicking public immediately after uploading your video? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.